Looking for weight loss dinner recipes? Embarking on a weight loss journey can be both exciting and challenging. While exercise plays a crucial role, the foundation of successful weight loss lies in maintaining a balanced diet. Dinner, in particular, holds significant importance as it is often the final meal of the day and can greatly impact your metabolism and energy levels. Therefore, finding nutritious and satisfying dinner recipes is key to achieving your weight loss goals. In this video, we will explore a variety of dinner recipes tailored to support your weight loss journey. From light salads to hearty soups and flavorful grilled dishes, there's something for everyone to enjoy while staying on track with their health goals. 1. Light and refreshing salads. Salads are an excellent option for those looking to shed extra pounds while still enjoying a satisfying meal. Incorporating plenty of fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, salads offer a nutrient-dense and low-calorie dinner option. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Grilled chicken Caesar salad. Toss together crisp romaine lettuce, grilled chicken breast slices, cherry tomatoes, and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Drizzle with a light Caesar dressing for a classic and filling meal. Mediterranean quinoa salad. Combine cooked quinoa with diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, Kalamata olives, feta cheese, and a handful of fresh herbs like parsley and mint. Dress with a simple vinaigrette made with olive oil, lemon juice, and garlic for a flavorful and satisfying dish. Asian-inspired edamame salad. Mix together cooked edamame beans, shredded carrots, sliced bell peppers, and chopped scallions. Toss with a tangy sesame ginger dressing and top with toasted sesame seeds for an Asian-inspired twist on a classic salad. 2. Hearty and nourishing soups. Soups are not only delicious but also make for a filling and nutritious dinner option. Packed with vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, soups can help keep you feeling full and satisfied without consuming excess calories. Here are a few hearty soup recipes to try. Vegetable and lentil soup. In a large pot, sauté onions, carrots, celery, and garlic until softened. Add vegetable broth, diced tomatoes, dried lentils, and your favorite herbs and spices. Simmer until the lentils are tender and flavors have melded together for a hearty and satisfying meal. Chicken and vegetable soup. Combine diced chicken breast, carrots, celery, onions, and any other vegetables of your choice in a pot. Add chicken broth, herbs, and seasonings, and simmer until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. Serve hot for a delicious and nourishing dinner option. Thai coconut curry soup. In a pot, combine coconut milk, vegetable broth, red curry paste, diced tofu or chicken, and an assortment of vegetables such as bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. Simmer until the vegetables are tender and the flavors have infused together for a fragrant and flavorful soup. 3. Flavorful and lean grilled dishes. Grilling is a healthy cooking method that allows you to incorporate delicious flavor into your meals without adding excess calories. Whether you're grilling chicken, fish, or vegetables, incorporating lean proteins and plenty of vegetables is key to creating a satisfying and weight loss-friendly dinner. Here are a few grilled dinner recipes to try. Lemon herb grilled chicken. Marinate chicken breasts in a mixture of lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, and your favorite herbs such as rosemary, thyme, and parsley. Grill until cooked through and serve with a side of grilled vegetables for a light and flavorful dinner. Grilled salmon with asparagus. Season salmon fillets with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Grill until the salmon is cooked to your desired doneness and serve alongside grilled asparagus spears for a nutritious and delicious meal. Portobello mushroom burgers. Marinate portobello mushroom caps in balsamic vinegar, garlic, and olive oil before grilling until tender. Serve the grilled mushrooms on whole wheat burger buns with toppings like lettuce, tomato, avocado, and Dijon mustard for a satisfying and meatless dinner option. When it comes to weight loss, dinner plays a crucial role in supporting your goals. By incorporating nutritious and satisfying dinner recipes into your meal plan, you can provide your body with the nutrients it needs while still enjoying delicious and flavorful meals. Whether you opt for light and refreshing salads, hearty and nourishing soups, or flavorful and lean grilled dishes, there are plenty of options to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs on your weight loss journey. Remember to focus on portion control, balance, and variety, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your health and wellness goals. If you found the content helpful and insightful, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on similar topics in the future.